Hello viewers, how are you? I hope all of you are well. Welcome to my channel ICT Vlogs. Today our topic is conversation of hexadecimal number. Today we learn how to convert decimal to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to decimal. We have to know what is hexadecimal number. The hexadecimal number has 16 digits or symbols. These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now what are A, B, C, D, E, F? So the value of A is 10, the value of B is 11, the value of C is 12, the value of D is 13, the value of E is 14, and the value of F is 15. The maximum value of digits in the hexadecimal number is 15. The base 16 captured in hexadecimal number. Now we'll convert decimal number 850 to hexadecimal number. If we want to do that, we have to divide that 850 by 16. Then we'll get 3 as quotient and 2 as remainder. Again, we'll divide that 53 by 16. Then we'll get 3 as quotient and 5 as remainder. Again, we'll divide that 3 by 16, but it's not possible. So there will be no quotient, 3 will be remainder. We have to count bottom to top, bottom to top. Now our quotient is 0, 3, 53 and remainder 3, 5, 2. We'll count our remainder 3, 5, 2. So our answer is 850 decimal number equal to 352 hexadecimal number. Now we will convert hexadecimal to decimal number. Here our hexadecimal number 352. For convert hexadecimal to decimal, we have to imagine 0, 1, 2 above those numbers. We must remember that we must erase those imaginary number value 0, 1, 2 at end of the calculation. That's why we have write the numbers in khata or exercise book with pencil. Now 3 into 16 to the power 2 plus 5 into 16 to the power 1 plus 2 into 16 to the power 0. 3 into 16 square equal to 256 plus 5 into 16 to the power 1 equal to 16 plus 2 into 16 to the power 0 to 1. Now 256 into 3 equal to 768, 5 into 16 equal to 80 plus 2 to 1 equal to 2. So 768 plus 80 plus 2 equal to 850. Okay, next one. Now our decimal number will divide that by 16. Then we'll get 126 as quotient and 8 as remainder. Again 126 or 126 divided by 16. We will get 7 as quotient and 14 as remainder. 14 equal to E. Then again we'll divide that 7 by 16. Here 7 is less than 16. So we will not get any quotient. We only get remainder that 7. So our quotient is 0, 7, 1, 2 and 6 and remainder is 7, 14 or E, 8. We'll count 7, 14 or E and 8. So we have to count bottom to top. We have to count bottom to top. So 2024 decimal number equal to 7E8 hexadecimal number. Now our hexadecimal number 7E8. Again we have to imagine the number 0, 1, 2, 3 above those numbers. So 7 into 16 square plus e into 16 to the 1 plus 8 into 16 to the power 0. 7 into 16 square equal to 256 plus e or 14 into 16 to the power 1 plus 8 into 16 to the power 0 equal to 1. Now 7 into 256 equal to 1792 plus 14 into 16 equal to 224 plus 8 into 1 equal to 8. So 1792 plus 224 plus 8 equal to 2024. Okay, next one. Now here is both for integer number 0, 1, 2 and for fraction number -1, -2, -3. So b into 16 square plus 5 into 16 1 plus d into 16 to the power 0, that point is plus sign. We have to remember we do not keep that point here, we only write plus. Okay, now b into 16 square plus 5 into 16 to the power 1 plus d into 16 to the power 0 and plus. We will not give the here point. Please remember that we do not write here that point, we will only write plus. So 4 into 16 to the power -1 plus 8 into 16 to the power -2 plus 0 into 16 to the power -3. Now b equal to 11 into 16 square plus 5 into 16 to the power 1 plus d equal to 13 and 16 to the power 0 and 4 into 16 to the power -1 plus 8 into 16 to the power -2 plus 0 into 16 to the power -3. Now 11 into 16 square equal to 56 plus 5 into 16 plus 13 into 16 to the power 0 equal to 1. Since here 16 to the power -1, so we have to write 1 by 16 to the power -1. So 4 into 16 to the power -1 equal to 4 into 1 by 16 to the 1. Here 16 to the power -2, so we have to write 1 by 16 square. Similarly 0 into 1 by 16 to the power 3. 256 into 11 = 2816. 5 into 16 equal to 80. 13 into 1 equal to 13. 4 by 16 plus 8 by 256 to 0 plus 0. Now 2816 plus 80 plus 13 equal to 2909. 4 by 16 equal to 0.25. 8 by 256 equal to 0.03125. So our answer is 2909.28125. So please sir, pause that video and try itself. I hope you have done that. Now let's see. 23952 decimal number. We will convert that number to hexadecimal number. Then 23952 divided by 16 will get 1497 as quotient and 0 as remainder. Again 1497 divided by 16 will get 93 as quotient and 9 as remainder. Again 93 by 16 will get 5 as quotient and 13 or d as remainder. Again 5 by 16, but it's not possible because 5 is less than 16. Sorry, we will not get any quotient. 5 will be remainder. So our quotient is 0, 5, 93, 1497 and remainder 5, 13 or d 9, 0. We'll count bottom to top. So 23952 decimal number equal to 5D90 hexadecimal number. For convert that hexadecimal number to decimal number, we have to imagine 0, 1, 2, 3. So 5 into 16 to the power 3 plus d into 16 square plus 9 into 16 to the power 1 plus 0 and 16 to the power 0. So 5 into 16 to the power 3 equal to 4096 plus d into d means 13 into 16 square equal to 256 plus 9 into 16 plus 16 plus 0. 4096 into 5 equal to 20480. 13 into 256 equal to 3328. 9 into 16 equal to 114. So 20480 plus 3328 plus 114 equal to 23952. Now our decimal number is fraction. We have to convert that number to hexadecimal number. For that we need to multiply that number by 16. Then we'll get 1 as integer and 0.03125 as fraction. Again we'll multiply that fraction number by 16. Then we'll not get any integer number. That's why we write 0 and we'll get fraction number as 0.5. Again we'll multiply that 0.5 into 16. Then we'll get integer and no fraction. Now we have to count top to bottom. Top to bottom. So 108. 0.064453125 decimal number equal to 0.108 hexadecimal number. Our fraction hexadecimal number will convert that hexadecimal number to decimal number. For convert hexadecimal to decimal number, we have to imagine -1, -2, -3 above those numbers. 1 into 16 to the power -1 plus 0 into 16 to the power -2 plus 8 into 16 to the power -3. So 1 into 1 by 16 plus 0 into 1 by 16 plus 8 into 1 by 16 cube. Now 16 to the power 1 equal to 16. 16 square equal to 256. 16 cube equal to 4096. So 1 into 1 by 16 plus 0 into 1 by 256 plus 8 into 1 by 4096. So 1 by 16 equal to 0.0625 plus 0 into 1 by 256 equal to 0 plus 8 by 4096 equal to 0.001953125. So 0.0625 plus 0.001953 equal to 0.064453 125. Be well, be good, always. Thank you.